Hey guys, today we're going to be making kindness cards, and these can be for anyone and designed any way you want. First, you need to take any paper that you have at home. It could be the back of some mail or scratch paper, and then you're going to use any pencils, markers, crayons, colors, anything you have at home is fine. Then you're going to think of who you would like to send a positive message to, a card that would make someone's day. Then you're going to write something nice, draw a picture, color it, or do all of that. And once your card is done, you need to give it to somebody. These cards can really make a difference and make someone feel special, just like this one. So the cards can actually be made from regular paper or cardstock, anything you have. What I did is I took a piece of white paper and I folded it in half once, and then folded it in half again. And from one piece of paper, I can actually make 4 little cards. So I took my scissors and cut on the fold once, and then cut another time. That gives me 2 little cards. And cut one more time. And now I have 4 pieces. I can make 4 cards or save some for later. Now using some crayons, pencils, pens, markers, whatever you have, you can start to design your own. So here are some examples. Have fun making your kindness card, and remember to give it to someone special.